you guys, so we're gonna be getting into today's Sunday reset. This Sunday reset can be a little bit of everything. We have to run to the store, re-up on some things. We did that last night. We're gonna go ahead and restock the fridge, clean it out a little bit. We need to organize the guest bathroom. We ordered everything from Amazon because Amazon's our best friend. Everything will be linked down in the description because I'm pretty sure you're gonna love it just like I am. And then also, you guys, we're gonna be just cleaning up the house. If you're not new here, you know, but if you're new here, welcome. And hopefully this is a video you can just put on in the background of your house. It's just good to start the new week with a clean house. So let's just go ahead and get right into it.
Hey, look, Ariana, Selena, my visa. It can take as many charges as it needs to, my girl. That shit platinum just like all of my releases, my girl. They just come for me, I tear them all to pieces, my girl. I'ma show your sexy ass what relief is, my girl. Please don't take no shit despite that how you kicking. And I'm not driving nothing that I gotta stick with keys in. Wonder how I got this way, I swear I got the just calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, you cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs. Nah, I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Just calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, you cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs. Nah, I'm a pop star, not a doctor. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. I'm a pop star, not a dog, not a. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. I'm a pop star, not a dog. Yeah. Dile que tú eres mía, tú sabes que eres mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Dile que tú eres mía, tú sabes que eres mía, tú misma lo decías cuando yo te lo hacía. Bebé, yo soy fan de tu caminar, te doy todo lo mío hasta mi respirar. Contigo veo todo como en espiral. Quiero tirarnos fotos y que se hagan mirar. Tus ojos me concentran con moderar. Contigo me sube lo verás. Te toco y el mundo deja de ir. Ahora nosotros ni la muerte nos va a separar. Bebé, yo soy tuyo nada más. Dile que conmigo te vas. Que dejen de tirarte.
Alright, sis, getting into today's Sunday reset. So it's Sunday morning. I want to go ahead and take off my pillowcases and my sheet and get this in the washer and get it in rotation. I actually have a new duvet cover in the washer as well, just waiting for this stuff to go in with it. So I need to remember later to come back and move that over. Next up, I need to go ahead and clean off my nightstands. Girl, I don't know why or how, but these nightstands get so dusty. Even though it's white, I think it's like the book and the accessories and stuff like that. So I'm going to go ahead and wipe everything down and then put it back. I also need to go ahead and organize my guest bathroom, so we're going to be doing that together.
Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian Sugar. See, we be making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss isn't like any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave. To me, you love me right down to my knees, and whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me.
Okay, so I got these new baskets from Marshall's and I want to go ahead and store the shoes in here. I needed a new spot to put the shoes in the entryway because it was driving me crazy not having a spot. And yes, you can see through the baskets, but I feel like everybody knows you want a place to store shoes when you walk in the house, and I don't think it looks bad.
Brown sugar, babe. I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
So now that I moved over my duvet cover and sheets, I'm going to go ahead and just clean up the kitchen real quick. There's not much to do in here. I don't have any dishes dirty. I just need to go ahead and wipe down the counters and the outside of the fridge and the stove. Then I'm just going to go ahead and vacuum and then wipe down my dining table.
Tell him this, did he miss? Junior want to not be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior want to not be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, all summer, all summer, $4-5, in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior want to not be on my, Junior want to not be on my, tell him this, did he miss? Junior want to not be on my, I can't really see where did I miss, Junior want to not be on my, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, we took both, we took both, we took both, we took both, one in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, spirit is on us, spirit is thunder, God's time, keep it on the wrist, Junior wanna have me on my,
So I was playing around with browns earlier in my living room, and I love how it came out. I'm so excited for fall. Stay tuned for fall content because it's going to be good, sis. But yeah, so as you guys know, I have to clean off my couch and vacuum it. It's big for me. I have to have a vacuum couch. I like to do it every Sunday. So yeah, I'm just going ahead and setting my couch, and then I'm going to pour me up a mimosa because I'm in the mood for a nice little drink.
Won't find bigger, got big shots saying that's that nigga. Whole people classes, Weezy for geeky. Girls in the lobby, trying to meet me. I ain't afraid to say yeah, I love these hoes. In the glasses, in the jacket, and the hipster clothes. Yes, I'm always on tour, what you mad at that for? I'm slamming that thing like a Cadillac though. I love fast women, Jackie doing a curse. your cake and eat it. Baby, it's your birthday. Baby girl, you know what I want. Let me do it to you, do it to you. Let me do you like Baby girl, you know what I want. Let me do it to you.
You guys enjoyed today's Sunday reset. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I loved organizing the guest bathroom. Of course, everything will be linked down in the description. Every Sunday looks a little bit different. I hope this was motivation for you to go ahead and reset for a new week.